Okay, now we are moving to our problem in fuzzy control system. Um, First of all, I would like to give you some 6 steps for fuzzy logic control problems, not just for this stream turbine example, where what we are discussing, whether it is a washing machine or car AC temperature controller or even the restaurant tipping system problem you remember. So first of all, you have to decide your input variables, output variables, and base rule. This is some of a process. Exactly the same process you have to use for other problems also. Because in any fuzzy control system, we always do the same logical sequence of things. So first we decide what we are controlling. That's our system. So next we are choosing what input affected it. Temperature, pressure, speed, whatever. And we describe them fuzzily using linguistic words like low, medium, high in that way. And then after we are forming a rule to tell the system what to do in each case. Then we are applying fuzzification and inference to calculate fuzzy output, and then after we are doing defuzzification, defuzzify to get uh, one final crisp output for real world control. So this process is actually universal. It's like a recipe to use to find out these answers for a control system. You just change these linguistic values, variable ranges, and everything, and you can use this same process for most kind of control systems. And for a room temperature heating and AC control, use washing machine everywhere. So and room heater, we can say temperature, humidity level. So output will be maybe heater power. Okay, let's move on to this. What are these steps? So first step is we have to identify the input and output variables. Then after we have to assign each fuzzy subset a linguistic variable, or we can say it as a descriptor. Yes. And the third one is we should obtain membership function for those descriptors. And the fourth one is we have to form a fuzzy rule base. And the fifth one is we are doing fuzzification and evaluate the rules which we made. And the sixth one, the final step, is defuzzification. Okay, I hope you remember our example. We consider the design of a fuzzy controller for a steam turbine. We assume the input of the fuzzy controller as temperature and pressure. You can take out anything as you wish, and I told you, maybe you remember, you have to take out some of a specialist ideas from the field for this, because in every field it's different, and we are just doing the computer science part. If we are applying fuzzy control system in medical field, you have to get the idea from a specialist from that field. When it is coming to some of a case like this, you have to get the ideas from an engineer who is well knowing about this specific area. Okay, and the output, so output will be the throttle setting of a steam turbine. Okay, for this they are telling we can use 3 descriptors for input and 5 descriptors for the output. And now we have to set off rules for control action and get the defuzzified values first. Okay, let's do step by step. I am going to follow in these 6 steps.